Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we got an 03 Volvo V70 with a 2.4 liter non-turbo. I'm going to show you where the power steering fluid reservoir is. It's on the, so we're going to open the hood. The hood latch location is on the driver's side, the left leg kick panel. You reach in there, you'll feel a handle. See it? Just give it a pull. So the safety latch is located right here in the center. You just pull up the tab and lift the hood open. It's on the passenger side fender well. It's clearly marked power steering. What we're going to do is, with the car off, not running, we're going to open that cover. It has a dipstick attached to it. I'm going to clean that off. And there is two indicators, hot and cold. So with it hot, that would mean like the car has been running, and you shut it off and come out here and check your fluid. Fluid expands and it rises up when it's hot. When it's cold, like this car's been sitting, it should be down somewhere in between the two here. So we're going to line up those two key points, drop it in on the canister, and then pull it out. Let's see what we got. We're right in the middle. So the power steering fluid on this is at the proper location. We check the maintenance color of it. It's clean. That's not dirty at all. So we're all set. Make sure your cover's closed tight, and don't forget to check your maintenance manual to see what kind of power steering fluid this particular vehicle takes.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.